how to switch to a personal account from a professional account in Instagram. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can revert or get back your professional account if you have accidentally enabled a professional account. So let me show you how you will get back your personal account. So in order to get back your personal account, you need to first navigate to the profile page of your professional account. You can do so by tapping onto this profile icon at the bottom right, and once you're inside the profile page, you can see this professional dashboard right here. So simply click onto this professional dashboard and it will give you the professional insights and different tools as well. Now from here you can see the setting gear icon over the top right. So simply click here and it will open the creator page. Now from here you will see at the bottom this option that says switch account type. So simply click on to switch account type, and from here choose the second option or the bottom one, which is switch to personal account. And once you will do this, it will give you a option that says switch to personal account. So you need to click onto this top option that is switch to personal account. And once this particular operation validates, it will display a message that says switch to personal account. Now if you'll try going back, you can see that the creator dashboard has also been removed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.